How to upgrade your seats on Qatar Airways. Hello friends, welcome once again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can upgrade your seats on Qatar Airways. But before I go further, I must let you know that upgrading your seats on Qatar Airways can be done in several ways, and the most suitable way is by upgrading it at the checkout point, that is at the airport. But if you want to try it online as well, you can do that. The first step is signing into your Qatar Airways account, just like I have done here. So once you're signed in and you're brought to the home page, you can see your Qatar Airways logo by the top left corner. You can see Explore, Book, Experience, Privilege Club, and then you can see Book a Flight, etc. So to upgrade offers such as your seats on Qatar Airways, you can do this when you manage your booking or you check in online. All right. Now, you can do this by moving to the lower part of the screen where you can see book a flight, quarter stopover, manage slash check in. So you can just click on manage slash check in. Then under manage booking, you can see the options such as booking reference, last name. So you can just input your booking reference, click enter in your last name, click on retrieve booking, and then once you do that, you'll be taken to your bookings page. So on this page, you can now go ahead and upgrade your seats directly. You can also try this while checking out too. Once you click on checking in, once you click on check in, you enter in your booking reference as well, your last name, click on check in, and then just like that, you'll be taken to your bookings page where you can now upgrade your seat. Alright, this is basically how you can do it online. And then another way is by at the airports, you can just easily approach any Qatar Airways staff member at the airport check-in counter to purchase an upgrade on departure form, and then once you do that and you fill it, you can now go ahead and upgrade your seats. So this is how it works. Ensure you try it out. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day.